Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will create this landscape in artist oil pastels. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. I have made a very basic drawing, just a boat and a line over here, and we will start the coloring part with the artist oil pastels. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe our new channel Lux on the Trail for all the travel musty fun. Now this is how our beautiful landscape is looking. Do give it a try. And I would also tell you that it's not just in one go you can create it. You have to do just some practice before that. I'll just show you my practice work. Before making each painting, I also do all these practice works. So do give it a try, and practice makes a man perfect. We all know that, right? So just try it, and you can always tag us on our Insta and Facebook page. Bye everyone, take care, stay happy and stay safe.